Hey guys, so today we'll learn how to create a custom data model for the navigation link so we can navigate to multiple views inside navigation link in one model. I hope you like it and have a nice day. I have already created this views very simple with a text, and I have here custom navigation link. If you want to learn how to create your own custom navigation link, you can watch this video. And I have here empty view so we can create our data model. On the finishing app, as you see, we have icon with a different colors, so we need icon name and icon color and the title. And when we tap on one of them, so we navigate to the other view, so we need to pass in the view we want navigate to. Extract, we give it a name and ID. ID will be UUID. So we need title will be string and icon name will be string and icon color type of color, and the destination where you want to go will be of type any view, so we can pass here any view you want navigation to. To create a model, I need a class, give it a name. We use a class because I want to reach to this data from any view I want. First array will be personal items. So on finishing app, you have this row and this one, 3 different arrays. You name it anything you want, will be of type setting items equal empty array. So now we pass in the items, we say setting array, and we can add our data. We give it a title and icon color will be blue and the destination. We pass in the view. I will say user profile view. If you remember, we have here 3 views, 4 with a different text. And so on. So I will just copy paste my data with 3 different arrays. We just delete this. So now we have this 3 different array, but how we can access to this array? So we say static let share equal setting model. So now we can say like share dot personal item. We can reach to any array inside the class. So we are finished with the model. So on setting row view, here I want to add the navigation link. I will say var item will be of type setting item, so we can reach to the color name and the title. So we say navigation link destination will be item dot destination, and the label we add in haystack will be image. The icon will be item dot icon name, and we need the title. Text will be item dot title. I will delete all this. Say navigation stack I need form section. Inside the section I need a for each. First I want to reach to the class, so here we need var model equal setting model dot share. Inside the for each we say model dot personal item item in, and the setting row view, this one, we pass in the item. So let's see the view. We have this. If we tab, we have the navigation and so on. So let's add the navigation title. Navigation title. I need the 3 sections. I will just copy paste to save time, because as you see here on the data model we have this one, 2 and 3 data. Let's make this on dark. Oh yeah, we need to pass in the color. Dot icon color. On the finishing app, when you go to the profile, you have other section, so we can go to other view and so on. So on the profile view, I want to add NavigationLink, NavigationStack. Cut this, make it inside scroll view. I would just copy paste this one. And we need to reach to the model. But if you add it here, will a preview crash. This doesn't work. You see, we need to add the model inside the body. On the data model, I will copy this array and change the name to 2 and change the destination to the third view. I wanna also add it inside the custom navigation link. We give it the title, third view, and the view inside. If we now go to the profile, because it's inside scroll view, the form already have a scroll view. Form. So we have other view, as you see, third view.